Hello everyone. One of the easiest, simplest and most practical way to earn money online is by publishing your service on freelancing websites like Fiverr, Upwork and freelancer.com. You can even earn money even if you have zero skills. What is selling gigs to make money online and what is this video about? Today I'll share with you a very easy gig you can upload and start making money online. You can do this for free and without any skills. The freelancing topic is quite well known, but if my video is the first time you're hearing this, you should go and watch my other video. I will tell you what freelancing is and I will also give you some important tips in that video. I'll leave the link in the description. Why should you consider this gig as your first gig and why should you consider freelancing? Freelancing method is a practical way of earning and the payment is 103% guaranteed. And the gig I will show you today is very easy to do, even for someone with no skills. And the best thing is, you can start today. What is the gig you can create to earn money online from these freelancing websites? The most simple gig you can create is removing backgrounds from pictures. Plenty of people and businesses needs background removed from their pictures or logos. Let's search one freelancing website and see the results. You cannot rate a seller unless you place an order, which means this seller received 31 orders at $10 each. That means she makes $310 from this gig. The most effective and fastest way to remove background is not free, but there are free ways which plenty people do not know about. But I know, and by end of this video, you will also. How to remove background to make money online. You can remove backgrounds in PowerPoint. And if you are interested to learn this skill, please visit my second channel. But I'll quickly show you how it's done. You just pick a picture, click on the format option, and then click on remove the background option. The background from the picture will be removed. The PowerPoint method is recommended, as you can use it over and over again. Other free websites may change suddenly and ask you to buy a plan to continue using their services. The first free website is Removebg. The link is in the description. All you have to do is choose a picture, the background from the picture will be removed. But just keep in mind that you will not be allowed to download the picture in HD format. The picture you download will be 0.25 megapixels, which is still a good quality. The second website is lunapig.com. This is an amazing website for removing background from logos and also other pictures. But the process may not be easy for a beginner. And the paid website you can use is canva.com. You can get a 30 days trial if you purchase their 1-year plan for $199. After removing the background, you will have to create a thumbnail. But before you create the thumbnail and before you create the name of the gig, I recommend you to go to the website and search for the similar gigs. Try to see the thumbnails they are using and the name they are using and try to come up with something better than that. That will increase the chance of your gig getting picked from the crowd. Uploading to the website will be very easy as the website will guide you through. You should watch the first video to learn about freelancing and get the best tips to succeed. Or watch the second video for other ways of earning. Learning and earning should never stop. Thank you for watching. Take care. Disclaimer, you should not leave your current paying job to do this until you have secured enough clients to earn a living. Just use this as a side hustle.